morning, good day, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. And be welcome. We're gonna do a vid today. It's gonna be a long vid. So we're gonna talk about a lot of altcoins today. So I'm going to take my time. I really don't care about the time today. So if you're gonna watch it in a speed of 1.5 or watch it if you have the time. Whatever you want, it's your own choice. So we're gonna make a vid today. We're gonna also talk about a little bit of the markets. We're gonna talk about crypto and how it's ruled and what's going on, and I'm going to show you guys how I see it and what I'm feeling about it. I got a lot of questions about the MACD trading group. Guys, it's very simple. I've chosen MACD as an exchange because it's the best and the lowest fees. So for everyone that's trading altcoins, you can trade. If you're trading spot, you trade it on a zero fee. Yeah, you're hearing me good. Zero fee. So meaning if you are like a shark or whale or whatever, if you got a lot of money and you want to go into whatever link, or you want to go in whatever you think, okay, it's going to bounce, so you're going in with, like, let's just say 20k. You have to check the liquidity before you do that when you're trading altcoins, especially the low cap altcoins. But you can't just market buy them, zero fees. You can sell them, zero fees. There just ain't no other better than that one. So I'm gonna do a MACD global tutorial vid soon. I really don't have the time because I'm trading a lot of forex and a lot of indexes and stocks the past day, so I'm very busy with those one, and I'm really also not very focused on crypto, to be honest. And I've got a team that's really trading a lot of, because they short and they long and they whatever they do. And so about crypto, I'm not trading a lot of crypto. And when I do trade crypto, I look for opportunities, and when those opportunities come, I will trade the shit out of them. So I said that I would trade a lot of crypto the coming weeks, months. Yes, but there has been so much going on recently on the markets, especially on the Nasdaq, that I'm a lone ranger. I'm a lone ranger, so I can't trade it all. When I'm focused on that one, I cannot focus on the other one, and yeah, that's very sad. But I got the team. The team is really focused on crypto, and they're working on it. And I will be joining them very soon. We've got here the Bitcoin price, and I wanted to talk about a retail fan member. He tweeted on Twitter today. He told me, when are you going to be bullish? You have been bearish from the 16k level. Well, first of all, that's not true. So first of all, you're saying things that it's not true. I have not been bearish on the 16k. If you can remember very good, I was eyeing the 15k 14k level, and that was for me a buy level to buy in. And no need for discussion, because everything is on my Twitter. Everything. I never remove a tweet, so you cannot tell me that I'm lying or whatever. It's when that was exactly in the time when Capo was telling everyone that we're going to 10k or whatever, blah 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 blah. I was telling you guys, 14k 15k is the level to buy. That's when to become bullish again. And I missed it because they front run me at 15,652, and I was waiting for the 1540k level, so I missed it by a bit. That's about Bitcoin. So that's number one. So if you want to fucking accuse me of something, do it based on arguments and facts and not lies. And then number two, you're telling me I made a 3x on my altcoin. Congratulations. Very good for you. I'm very happy for you. But I have been sharing from that 14, 15k level. I've been sharing like 1,000 altcoin charts with buy levels. Buy levels, nobody in the industry expected them to hit. Nobody. Because when I was sharing those altcoin charts with the buy levels, Everyone was telling me on CT, you're fucking crazy. You're a fucking moron. You're a fucking bear. That's what people were telling me. Why don't you talk about that? Everyone's telling me, MB, you're a fucking crazy guy. It's impossible that that altcoin will go that low. And almost all those targets hit on those altcoins. And so people, a lot of people that have been following me, they have been buying. They had buy orders. They have been buying and accumulating a lot of altcoins at those levels. And they did better than you did. They did a 5x, a 6x, a 7x on those buy levels. So don't come fucking telling me you are still bearish. I am bearish based on my macro analysis, and I've made like 1,000 vids. Just like I make 1,000 vids telling every retailer, don't do what I do. I'm a trader. 80% of my portfolio is a trading portfolio. So I make my money trading. My investment portfolio, I leave it. I think everyone knows Warren Buffett. Everyone knows Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is about the best trader investor in the world. There just ain't no better. This guy, you know what he does? He's always in cash. He has a lot of cash. And what does he do? He just waits for opportunities. And opportunities are not when prices go up, when they come down. So my 20% portfolio, I use it just like Warren Buffett does. So when a crash occurs or some altcoin goes to almost zero because of some FUD or because of whatever, I've got my 20% over there to buy in at really wrecked levels. That's what I do. And if you think that you're smarter than me and that you're so great because you've got some retailers, they jumped into Link and they made a 3x and they think that they are the gods. They made it. We are so proud of it. We were buying and we just made a 3x. Yes, you have got to make a 20x to just match me when I was here, when I sold my investment portfolio. You still have a very long, but I will get into those altcoins and I will show you. So that's about it. I can get, guys, I really love criticism. So to the one that shared this, I'm not angry at you. I like this feedback. I like this. When you guys say this to me, I like this. But we have to get into a conversation and we're going to talk based on arguments and facts. And the arguments and facts are very simple. We're going to talk about them when we get to the altcoins. So please keep giving me this bearish or this criticism. The more the better. But just let me answer you. Let me answer you. So, guys, Bitcoin. So, also for you, Mr. X, that have shared this to me. What did I share? I shared this one days ago. Over here. Also in my vids, I was telling you guys there is a lot of buy pressure. There is a lot of buy pressure on Bitcoin. There's a lot of, although we're reaching a resistance over here, there is a lot of buy pressure. I also said, bulls, please prove me wrong and break this 36.2 level. So they did. So congratulations and salute to the bulls. You've done it. But the buy pressure was really immense. So we broke out from 36.2. We broke out, and I also shared this on my Twitter. Guys, everything I say, the proof is on my Twitter. I never remove a tweet. Never. And I've got like 5,000 people as a witness. I never remove a tweet. Not like a lot of guys in CT, they say A and they say B, and then they wait what's going to happen, and then they remove B because that was wrong. They remove that tweet, and they will show you only A. You got the wrong address over here. I never remove a tweet. So over here, this breakout, a trader breaks a trade out because this is a very big one. This is a trade out from August 22. So a lot of traders like me, you long the shit out of this because it's breaking out. When you break out, we almost reach 38. On the leverage, it even went to 38.5. But I also tweeted, guys, wait a minute. As you can see over here, look at this. This drop over here. There's not a lot of price action going on here. This was just capitulation. It just boom, 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 boom went down over here. This drop, meaning there is not a lot of price action. We've got some price action over here. This was a little bit of price action over here, but here there was not a lot of price action. So what this means is when there is not a lot of price action and liquidity is low, the price on Bitcoin can go really hard. And what did I say yesterday? I told you, listen, it's good we're breaking out. I'm excited. I will trade it. But you have to be very, very, very cautious. And why? Because we're reaching levels where there is a lot of liquidity. A lot of price action went on very high time frames. And I showed it to you over here, over here, and over here. And this is where you have to be cautious. So even though we're breaking out, it does not mean that we're going to the moon. Because why? There will be a lot of sellers over here. Because there's a lot happening over here. If we break through this, this could be really FOMO mode. But as long as we're staying here in this box until 39k, 40k, it's it will be very hard for the bulls to just break through this. And what happened? Exactly like I shared. It went into the liquidation zone, here the red box, and then let me put it on the 1 hour so you guys can see what happened. And then we've got this. This is pure liquidity. This is not some retailer selling. These are not retailing stuff. These are retailers getting wrecked. These are wheels selling. We went into the box of the liquidity, and you see we went from 38 to 30. This is a drop of almost 2.5k. On the leverage, it was even more. It was almost 3k. A 3k. And you have to also understand this. The higher the Bitcoin price go, the bigger the jumps will be. Because it's very hard to get 2k, 3k candles when we are at 15k, 16k. But it's very easy to get those candles when we are at 40k, 50k. You will get candles of 3k, 4k, 5k. So that's why you have to be very, very, very careful, especially if you're trading leverage, because they will wreck you. They will wreck you. They really kill you. So that's about Bitcoin. Just to understand Bitcoin and why there is happening, what is happening. And if you have another opinion about this, let me know in the comment. Tell me. I'm open to any debate with anyone. I don't care how good you are. I don't care who you are. We will debate it. Just tell me in the comments what you think. If you think, oh, wait a minute, Ambi, you're seeing something wrong on this chart. It's not like this. Well, fine. Just show me. So this is about Bitcoin, guys. Okay. Let's not talk too much about this. Let's go to the dominance chart. Dominance chart. This is also a chart I've been sharing before 99% of the influencers. There is one in particular that is always talking about the Bitcoin dominance chart. I was sharing this same chart. I never removed this green and this red. This is here for like maybe a year or 2 years. I don't know how long. And you can find it on my Twitter. Always, the ones that have been following me know this. And there's one guy now always talking about, oh, wait a minute, dominance chart. Wait a minute. There's a red box. There was this green box. There's this red box. I've been telling people a lot of times, over here is not the time to be in altcoins. If you want to buy altcoins, you buy them here in the red zone. Don't buy them here. Only this saved people from 70, 80, 90% losses. So again, congratulations with your 3x. But the same one that followed, that did do what I do, he still can make, how can I explain this the best? You made a 3x. He has made a 10x. And how did he make the 10x? Not that he is gaining it, no. He saved it from a loss, a 10x loss. He saved a 10x loss. And you're so proud of yourself. I made a 3x. Congratulations. I can still buy in now and make a 5x and still be in more profits than you are. So congratulations. And something very important. Oh, no, I will talk about that in my altcoin. So let me first about the donut chart, guys. Donut chart, this red box is resistance, so we're coming down here. Let me put it on the daily so we can see it better. So we're getting down here. This will give some momentum to the altcoins, and as long as this thing, because we are really at high levels. So meaning, let me explain to you how this works on the how it was in the previous ones. As long as Bitcoin stays in the range, let's say the range of 34k to 37k, and this thing will drop down, this thing will keep dropping down. This several altcoins could really outperform Bitcoin and pump very hard if the FOMO is at the right time and the momentum is creating. There are a lot of altcoins, several, they will go hard. They really will go hard. So as long as we stay in the range and this thing keeps dropping down, maybe come even down to the 45% range. So this is a possibility to keep in mind. It's not that it's going to happen for sure, no, but just to keep it in mind. As long as this thing will come down, altcoins will outperform Bitcoin. Okay, so let's get into the altcoins. Let me first start off with Ethereum, because Ethereum made a nice pump yesterday. It was really it's something. It's really always like in the past. And how does it happen? You see Bitcoin dropping and you see money flowing into Ethereum, and it goes very fast because they don't want you to get into Ethereum together with them. So when they pump it in one move, and then you're already too late. And especially some retailers, they start longing at 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x, whatever, and then they will get wrecked. Very simple. About leverage trading, by the way, just a short thing I wanted to tell you guys. If you want to trade leverage, I will make a leverage trading vid on the MW trading group, in the MW group on TG. I will make one. But guys, very simple. If you're trading leverage, 5x, max 10x, max, don't go above it. 5 to 10x is a lot. And why is 5 to 10x? All the professional traders, they do 5 to 10x. But I can understand when you don't have a lot of money. Suppose you just have like $500, or you just have $100 you're trading with it, and well, you want to make a lot of money and you're going with 100x or some. Listen, guys, 100x is for me is just it's just madness. 5 to 10x, 5 to 10x, max. So I understand that someone that has got like $200 or $300, $400, he wants to make it, so he goes on 50x, 60x, 70x, and then he'll share it on CT. Look how great I am. You have to understand that the small fish, so people with low amounts of money that do trade with high leverage, 99.99 will get liquidated. It's just like you're throwing your money into a sea and it's gone forever. And sure, maybe you can hit, you go 50x or 100x and it goes up very fast, and you can make some money. But when you've got the mentality, the thesis of I'm going 50x, 100x, whatever, maybe you will hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners and you will lose it all in just one drop. It's just almost 100% you will get wrecked. And please no need for discussions about this. No need for discussions about this. You will get wrecked. So Ethereum, let us put on our indicator. Yes. So Ethereum, we broke the 200 EMA, came back, and this was the pump. And this pump is just money flowing in. So I'm not so excited about Ethereum. Guys, by the way, I've written down some names of altcoins that people on Twitter shared with me. I did not prepare this vid, like you guys know me. I never prepare my vids. So I didn't chart them or whatever. So I'm going to look at these coins just as you guys. I haven't seen them maybe for a week, and some coins maybe for months. So I'm just going to open the charts and let's see what's over there. So I really don't, I didn't prepare or did some analysis or some technical analysis about them. Maybe I will do after the vid when I see some coin and I see some nice momentum creating on the low time, and maybe I will share them on Twitter. Or so I will. Today it's just I'm going to talk about them, see how I'm thinking about it. But guys, what is the rule we're having in crypto? It's always like this. Bitcoin pumps first, and then Ethereum follows, and then the smaller altcoins follow. This is just how it is. Is it going to happen this way, this time, the same as the past times? I really don't know. But in the previous cycles, this is how it works. Bitcoin pumps first, Ethereum pumps next, and then you got the other altcoins pumping. So about Ethereum, guys, I really don't have a clue. It's pumping now. It made a nice bounce, and it was also, I think it was a bit of it should have pumped, because it has been a bit of dead, and there is not a lot of people talking about Ethereum. And when you see a lot of people not talking about Ethereum most of the times, it will probably pump. Let me put it something like this. Let me see. Does the indicator say something? No, the indicator is very far from it. So for now, guys, it's almost the same like Bitcoin. It's getting in these regions. I do not trade Ethereum. Someone told me, why do you don't trade Ethereum? I told them, why should I? If I can trade coins like VeChain, like Polkadot, that are at the bottom levels, why would I buy Ethereum? For sure, this was a nice buy. This was a nice one. What was this pump yesterday? What was it? Let me see. It was a nice pump. Let me see. This was a pump of almost 15%. But let's talk. Let's talk real over here. Let's talk just real. Let's talk real shit. This pump, who predicted this? Or who could predict this? Or who could know this? The answer is very simple. Nobody. Nobody could predict this pump. Just like many pumps in altcoins. Because crypto is ruled again and again and again. It's ruled by a group of whales. And they decide. And what did they do? I don't think that this is new money came in. This is just whales flipping their Bitcoin into Ethereum. Let me put it on to see if I didn't check it yet, but I know for sure what I'm going to see. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. I didn't check it yet. Here it is. Ta-da-ta-da! That's exactly what happened. So this is not new money coming into crypto. This is just whales. When you saw that big drop on Bitcoin, these were whales. They flipped their Bitcoin into Ethereum. That's what happened. And that's why when you saw this, and look, there are a lot of charts I have. Listen, over here. What do we see? Support. Over here, support, boom. This is not bragging or whatever. It's a chart. I haven't seen this chart for, I don't know for how long, but this is over here. Support, boom, it went up. Oh, MB, you're great. You told us that it was support and we longed Ethereum and we made a lot of money. Congratulations. Don't give me the credits. Give the credits to yourself. Because you are the one. By the way, guys, I'm smoking. I'm smoking. You are the one that bought in and flipped your Bitcoin or bought in Ethereum, not me. Don't give me credits. Don't give me credits, because you know why? When you get wrecked, it's also not my. You're not going to tell me, hey, MB, I've gotten wrecked. Well, why? Because you told me, no, I never tell you to do something. Just I'm not telling you to buy something. I will never tell you to sell something. I only tell you what I do. And It's your own choice to choose what you want to do. So don't give me credits. Please don't give me the credits. If you flipped your Bitcoin over here, you bought it in Ethereum, you made 15%, congratulations. That's all on you. And even if you're following some guru or whatever out there, don't give them the credits, because when you get wrecked, you also not go to them, tell them that you did it. No. Always give the credits if you are the one putting your own savings money into any trade, whatever, whenever. So it's only you. You are the one to give those credits to. Okay, so let me go to link. Link. Okay. The team shorted this one on Maxi. They're in nice gains. They locked in some gains. They put out their investment, and only their profits are still running in there. Why did they short this? Let me tell you, they shorted it, I think somewhere around here. They shorted it over here. Why did they shorted it? Well, let me show you why they shorted it. Let me show you why they shorted this. First of all, it's the same, just like Bitcoin. It has got over here a lot of liquidity on the very high time frame. So there is a lot of liquidity over here. That's number one. Number two, they shorted the 15 bucks level. You've got in trading, it's an unwritten rule. When prices reach to like 10 bucks, 15 bucks, 20 bucks, 25, these are levels that a lot of people take profits on. So even big wheels on spot, not even on leverage, they take profits. Well, suppose they bought in at 5 bucks and then 15 bucks. I made a 3x. I'm just gonna take profits. After they went in, it made even a bigger move up, and this move up was pure Bitcoin. So Link was just going up. There are a lot of, you have to understand it like this, guys. When you see on those exchanges, you see liquidity getting in, out, etc., etc. Do you think that a lot of people, Wills, are trading with you with their mouse in his hand and his screen and he's trading? No, these guys use bots. These bots, most of them are all bots. They are just there's an algorithm going in, and when Bitcoin goes up, those bots start buying Link, for example, and etc., etc. So there are a lot of bots going on those exchanges, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, and that's also how they keep. Try to keep the price stable, so not too volatile, because if those bots wouldn't be there, it could be that at some point there just ain't no liquidity. So that's why they shorted it. They added some to their short over here on another position. So Link, let me talk about Link. Yes, Link. So Link, when it was over here somewhere, they started shilling the shit out of this coin. They started shilling, and this was really organized. This is just organized. What I'm going to say now, I'm telling you, I don't have any proof, and I'm not accusing anyone, and I'm not saying that anyone did it. So it's just my theory about this. It's just a theory. But I'm experienced enough to understand the game. So I'm going to tell you how this could have been. I'm going to give you a scenario how this could have been happened. Over here, or over here, or over here somewhere, or here, I receive a call. I'm an influencer, MB Will Killer, you've got some followers, etc., etc. Okay, listen, we're going to shill the shit out of Link. Okay, you should buy in very heavy from now on, because why? There are a lot of influencers that go into shill Chainlink, and probably we're going to pump that price. There are also some big wheels behind us, and they will pump this price. So start the shilling. But they don't start the shilling when they buy in. They always wait until it gets up a bit, $7, $8, and that's when they start shilling. So when they start shilling, they're organized shilling, Chainlink. Chainlink is an old dog. Chainlink didn't have any new partnerships or big, let me just say big partnerships the past weeks, months. Nothing. Chainlink has been one of the best crypto altcoins for years, and it doesn't have any competitor at his levels. They are like they're having the monopoly in crypto in what they do. It's an oracle. They are just by far the best from anyone. But this, they were the best also at $52. So if you are the best and you've got the monopoly in the markets, how is it possible that a coin like this drops 90%? Because those same people that were telling you that Chainlink is the future and Chainlink is the best in what it does were the same people that were telling you over here that they were the best. So the hodler, the believer, the FOMO follower, you're 90% down if you bought in somewhere over here. 90% down. 90% down. So you still have a long way to go to just break even. So don't come tell me you're bearish. I've been bearish from here. And I've been bullish on here. This is an accumulation zone. Watch all my vids. I'm telling you guys, when a coin is at accumulation like this, you can watch all my previous altcoin vids. When you see accumulation like this is bullish for a coin. So when you're, as a retailer, want to invest, this is when to invest. DCA, buy in low. Don't do what I do. I've got another style. Because I've got only a 20% investment portfolio, what I do is I buy in this green zone. As shared, I will buy Link only at $3 to 1.5. I will not buy Link at $5 or $6, $7. But that's my trading style, because my investment, I buy only blood. I really buy blood. And if I don't buy the blood, so be it. If I don't get hit, so be it. I'm not going to cry like a baby about it. Why? Because I'm trading. I'm trading. If I see a breakout, I go long on Link. I don't go, it's not, don't compare me like someone yesterday was very funny. He told me, are you the new Capo? I'm everything that Capo is not. Capo is someone, in my opinion, this guy is just crazy. He is just like, he's like that horse that has got those things before his eyes. He doesn't see, and he just goes one direction until he just goes blindly. That's Capo. We're going up or we're going down. A lot of hammers, a lot of bullshit, a lot of this. No fundamental explanations, nothing. Just we're coming up, we're going down, we're coming up, we're going down. He has got like 700k or 800k followers. Well, congratulations. Good for you. Good for you. I am a trader, meaning when a trader, what he does is he has when he sees opportunities up or down, he will act on it. And if you listen to me good in all my vids, I'm telling you, don't do what I do. As a retailer, accumulation zone, DCA buy. If you want to buy, DCA buy. I will not buy. I will buy at this level. And just to be clear, if you think that I don't have a feeling that I will get hit, you're wrong. I think that I will get hit over here. I think that I will get a hit over here, and I will buy in Link at these levels. Because why? Because history showed me that. If you see a price going, oh my God, it's so fun. No, I will get hit over here. I believe that. And if it doesn't happen, so be it. I'm trading. I'm making money. I use this freaking indicator that I'm showing you and I'm sharing to you and I'm giving to you for free so you can trade based on it. Over here, for the macro guys, wait a minute. First of all, we broke above the indicator. This is bullish. This is over here. This is the first one. Look at it. First one. Above it. This is bullish. In. And this is, if you wouldn't jump in here, this is where you should jump in. We came back, retest the indicator. Retested, this is the best scenario. Up, back retested, boom. Then we've got the 200 EMA. We also closed above that one. We went up it, retest it, boom, and off we went. This is on the weekly. Let's go to the daily. Let me show you on the daily. Over here. We went up it, tested it over here, off she went. You can trade based on this indicator. You don't have to be an Einstein. You don't have to be TA Einstein. You don't have to be, you just follow this damn thing. Let me go to the 12 hours. How does it show over here? Break above it, retest it, off she went. Let me put it on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Over here. We held. This is beautiful, by the way, guys. This is a beauty. This is a beauty. This is a beauty. Over here. We broke above it, came back. Look how the 200 EMA gets defended. It was just like Bitcoin. It's the same like Bitcoin. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. When you see an accumulation like this, guys, when you see an accumulation like this above the 200 EMA, this means that bulls are really defending the price over here. And it's just a matter of time before they do something like this. Educate. You all have got TradingView. My link is in the if you don't have it, you can sign up. Just put it on and go to any chart you want and start analyzing, start educating. Don't wait for some guru to tell you what to buy or what to sell. Based on air, based on let's have a meeting, all the influencers. Yeah, what do we do? All buy link like crazy. And what are we going to do? We're gonna shill out our community, so we're gonna sell it, we're gonna bring it to the moon, and at some points we're gonna dump on them like crazy. And then we've got like 500k retail believers that link is going to the moon again, and we just made a 5x. That's how it works in CT. Wake the fuck up. And if you want to protect yourself, I gave you the best tool to do so. So it doesn't have to mean that you have to follow what someone's. Just trade based on yourself. Just like my buddy Sid yesterday, TG said to someone, he told them, if you want to trade, don't wait for someone to tell you when to buy or when to sell. Do it based on your own education, your own charts, your own. And I'm giving you. I know that a lot of people they don't know how to chart. They don't know how to do this. How they don't understand. I gave you the best retail tool to trade on for free. Just use it. So over here we got this accumulation zone, and then boom, we went up. Test. Over here we close below it. Out, above it, and then off we went again. So let me put it on the 1 hour. This is on the 1 hour. It looks like shit. Up and down, up and down, up and down. This was yesterday. We got this drop. Look how it was really a big drop, just like Bitcoin. It went down, and then it bumped up very fast. And we are now testing the indicator. By the way, if this closes above it, there's a high probability that we will go up more again. So I think the team will be watching this as we speak to close their short. But this is exactly how you trade this. And there is still a lot of buy pressure over here on Link. Nothing changed that. So that's about Link. Let me go to, there was someone telling me something about Rune. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, something here very important to tell you guys now. For me, if you're asking me, so this is what I would do. If I would be looking for opportunities, if I would short, I would only short markets. MB is bearish. No, I'm not bearish. I'm realistic. There's a big difference between being bearish and being realistic. I would only watch for opportunities. And what are opportunities? Opportunities are something like this. Let me show you an opportunity. Like Link. Link on the, let me put it on the daily. This was an opportunity, short opportunity for me. Let me show you Rune. Rune over here was a short opportunity. This was a short opportunity. And you say, wait a minute, but MB, it went up, it wrecked you. No, it does not wreck me. You know why it does not wreck me? Look how it does not wreck me if I would short this. This is how it would not wreck me. Look at it, very good, look at it. Suppose over here, I think it was over here on the weekly, yes. Suppose I entered my shorts, I don't know, it was over here somewhere or whatever. No, where was it? But suppose, let's just suppose I shorted this over here. And we're coming down, 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 down. Over here, a double bottom, even a triple bottom on the 1 hour. It goes up above the indicator, above the 200 EMA, comes back, retest this. This is exit. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. This is what you have to do. Get the fuck out. You're in a short. Wait a minute. Low, low, double low, and these formations are very. You have to, guys. I hope that everyone will see it. This formations like this, and there are a lot are even more bullish. That would be suppose the price was here and it was here. When you see prices come down over here and make one like this, it often goes up very fast. Or if the price would be here and makes a higher low over here, it goes. It's really, guys, check it on all charts. I'm gonna do another vid about this trading, but these patterns, these price movements, they happen a lot. And why? Because we went up down here. A lot of people, oh shit, we made a new low, we're going to zero now, and then they wreck the fuck out of you. But just to explain you guys why I would not be wrecked, this is why. Above it, back, I'm out. And I don't, by the way, I'm just giving you an example, because if I would be trading, shorting or longing, there are a lot of other things coming into play. I will check the funding rate, I will check the volume, I will check the BTC pair, I will check the ETH pair, I will check the RSI, I will check. So for me, I'm just giving you an example. So if I would be trading, and especially if I would be trading leverage, it will be based on a lot of things before I make my decision if I would enter. I'm just giving you a simple explanation how to save yourself from getting wrecked. This is it. Just get the fuck out. You see it? Broke the indicator, broke the 200 EMA, came back, retested it, both of them. Off she went. A big buy of 30k on spot, on MX, on MaxC with 0 fees. And let's just run it. Let's just go for it. And I want to sell, because the link rune, it just goes up. Oh, wait a minute, down. I'm out of it. So that's rune. And now let me chart rune, because someone told me rune. Guys, it's very simple. If I would be, I would only look for I would only look for short opportunities if I would be trading crypto at this moment. But you have to know how to do it. You have to know how to do to not get wrecked. Because if you don't know how to do it, suppose you went into a short over here, and this thing would have been liquidated you. So that's what I just explained you, how to do that, how to get out. Because when the momentum turns, you're gonna get wrecked. Especially on these shitcoins. So for now, rune, guys, it's very simple. Buying was over here, and I know for 1000% sure that I have shed this buy bottom, because I know a lot of people that have been buying in the 80%, 90% range, as my chart showed. And just go to MWillKiller, put in MWillKiller #rune, you will find that chart. And they are in huge gains, and always thank you. Can we do something for you? No, don't do something for me. I don't need your money, I don't need nothing. You know what you can do? Donate to charity. Especially, I'm very sensitive about children getting abused, killed, whatever. Share to charities that stand up for weak children that cannot come up for themselves, that can protect themselves. Share to charity. I'm not going to shill you any charity. You choose the one you want, or whatever. Or maybe you know some people in your communities that have children that don't have enough money, maybe college money, maybe they don't have money to go to some sport, maybe they don't have money to give them some nice clothes or some nice whatever, maybe a laptop, maybe a tablet. Make children happy. And I think that everyone in this world that has got children feels the same. And that's why I also do not understand the hate in this world. I really just don't get it. I really don't get the hate that is in this world. Okay, so Rune, no buy for me. This could be a buy for me. This looks very bullish. This is a coin that's still in the bottom range and didn't do much, and as you can see, it's sort of trying to break out over here. And look at it, we tested the indicator yesterday on the drop, and a lot of guys also, oh wait a minute, MB, your indicator, there was one in. It was really funny. He was in my YouTube feed. He told me your indicator is useless. You know what's useless? You are useless. You know why? Because you are an emotional, greedy leverage trader, 400% sure, and you get wrecked on any bounce of 1, 2, 3%. You are useless. I'm showing you. Listen, it's not. I did not prepare this or whatever. Look at it. Bang, 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 bang. Listen, on the drop, it really hit it perfect. It went up. So we're above the 200 EMA also. So if this thing comes back retest, it has to find some volume and some momentum. And this is a coin that I would be bullish on to buy if crypto decides to make more green weeks. Polkadot. Let me say CAS, because I have to run, because my video is 46 minutes. I have to, and otherwise I cannot get it on YouTube. So I have to be a bit fast over here. CAS, guys, CAS is, if you are a gambler and you think by yourself, okay, fuck it, I've got some money, I just want to gamble on it, short the fuck out of this. It's just as simple as this. It's just a gamble. So if you want to gamble on something like this. So maybe you can make huge money and this thing will come down to here. I really don't know. The only thing I know is that this is a very popular, good fundamental coin that did like, I don't know how much X in a very short period of time. So if you want to short it, but it's a gamble. It's just like going to the casino. But if you want to short something that looks like this. So that's all I have to say about CAS. RSR, yeah, RSR, what to say? RSR, this is a very old chart of me. It's up the indicator, and well, it looks very wrecked. So if I would be buying or longing a coin, this is one of those coins. I don't know how the fundamentals are or whatever, but if I would be buying a coin, this is where I would buy a coin. This is a coin that I would like to buy. Let me go to Atom. Yeah, I really love Atom. Very good fundamentals. I know the coin, everything, but it's really wrecked. And why is it wrecked? Because it did very good in the bear market, and coins that did good in the bear market, like I have been sharing for a whole year. Yes, you hater, you fodder. Yes, I've been sharing it all year. All the coins that did very good in the bear market will probably do bad in a bull market. So don't go buy coins that did like BNB, like Medic, like Atom. The coins that did good during the bear market will probably do bad in a bull market. So why would I buy a coin that's in the sky? Why wouldn't I buy a coin that's all totally wrecked, like Rune was, for example, at 80 cents? Okay, H-bar. I really also love H-bar. Also, look at it, guys. This is a coin you can buy. Only this pump over here would be a 100% gain. This is a coin, if I would buy, this is one of the coins I would buy. It's the same thing. If we will get some altcoin season, and these are the coins to buy that are wrecked. Let me go to the next one. GLMR. I already shared a lot about GLMR. GLMR is totally wrecked. It's 400% sure a coin that I would buy. Rose already broke out, so we missed this. Maybe at a retest when it comes down over here, maybe buy. I really love Rose, by the way. And guys, this is, for example, a coin from which I missed the buy-in, because I was eyeing this level over here. I missed this one. Am I going to cry about it? No. Let me go. XRP. Well, XRP. What to say? Huge volume on it, but no price action. So I really don't know what's going on with the XRP army. VeChain. Same. I would trade and buy VeChain. I really love VeChain. I would trade it, and it's still in the accumulation zone. So this is also a coin that I would buy. Let me go to the next. Anchor. Same in accumulation zone. bottom, 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 off she went. High risk, high reward. And for the haters and the fathers again, this chart was shared, I don't know how many months ago. The green box, it's not that I've put it here, it has been here for months. This was the buy zone. And look what I said, high risk, high reward. So people that have been buying DCA in the green box, just like I shared, are now in 62% gain. So don't come tell me this bloody 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 blah. Save me all that shit, please. FTM. I really don't like FTM. I would never buy it. I would never trade it. Too much VCs, too much shillers, too much. I just don't buy this shit. Just like Solana. But look what it is. It's an accumulation zone. TA wise, could also be, didn't pump yet. Eagle. Oh my God, Eagle. Eagle had this. This was also already here. Boom, we broke out and boom. But this breakout, it's really a scammy breakout because people did not get the chance to jump in here. And I really don't like these kind of pumps because you're just wrecking. So Eagle, it went out and maybe it wants to come retest the 35 because $35 is really a lot of price action on the 35. I like Eagle, by the way. There was some time that I was an ERD was their previous name, and I've made nice gains on ERD in the past. I've traded ERD a lot. So Eagle, for now, maybe retest at the 35 bucks would be very bullish for continuation. Guys, I think this is enough for today. So I did some coins. I want to thank everyone for watching. Again, trading crypto, 0 fees on spot, leverage almost 70-80% less fees. Just open an account, put in $100 and compare it with your current exchange. Just test it. Just do it and look at the differences. And suppose you put in $1,000 and $1,000 and go, make the same trades on whatever exchange you're on and compare the fees. It's a lot of freaking money. So if you want to join the MW-TRADINGWORLD Global Trading Group, Friends Group, you can use the link below. Have a nice one and bye-bye.